Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Gotcha, bitch!
A few moments later.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Gay? I don't know.
Got him! Got him!
Really, nigga?
You serious?
Okay. Hey, bro. What?
Oh my god!
I am the one, the way your son don't get.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
On the ball. You alright?
NANI?!
お前はもう死んでいる。
Nice.
Photo. No. Hi.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Who can? Do it! Just do it!
Let me put it in a language you can understand.
Why are you running?
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
You could do so. You want.
Well, sara mo na yan!
Recurring segment on our show called Explain That Gram, where we do a deep dive on our guest Instagram, pull interesting.
What? What the fuck?